Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have another piece from Jeulia Jewelry to show you guys. Do you want to know what I received this time? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is another amazing piece, and I'm gonna say amazing before I even open it because everything that I've received from Jeulia Jewelry has been absolutely stunning, amazing, and just gorgeous. I still have the earrings in from the other one. I did stop wearing my rings. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but since I've been washing my hands so much lately with all the stuff that's going on, I just felt that it would be cleaner if I didn't have any of my rings so nothing would get like underneath them and that kind of thing. So currently I'm not really wearing my rings as much, but soon I will be wearing them again every single day. So they came out with a new piece of jewelry is what they sent to me. I was gonna get something completely different, but when they showed me their new piece, I really wanted you guys to see it, and I think it is amazing. So I cannot wait to show you what it's going to be. So let's go ahead and dive in. When you do receive their box, it does come in a mailer bag, and this is what is inside. I do like their packaging because when you open it up, everything is nice and tight inside. So they give you, they say, you know, thank you for your order. They have this that says stop. If you get something that is size, there is a tag on it, and you must check to see if it fits you before removing the tag. If you remove the tag, you cannot return the item if it doesn't fit or it's not to your liking. So always inspect your jewelry, make sure it fits and you're 100% happy with it before you remove the tag. So that's what that tells you. And then they do put in a little book in here that goes over other collections. This is definitely new. This isn't the same one that they have been sending. They have a new little book now. So this is really neat. I love looking through here and looking at their new jewelry. It's just, everything is stunning. I do have this bracelet right there. I have that from that particular collection, but their stuff is just beautiful, you guys. Simply beautiful. And I will link them down below, and I do have my own code, SheCrafty15, and that'll get you 15% off your entire order. And I believe they do have free shipping over $99, I believe it is. Yes, free standard shipping for any orders over $99. And so there is that. They even have some that are customizable with initials, or you can put a picture in some of them too. So definitely check out their site. They have amazing stuff. So if you do order this for a gift, it does come with a little gift bag, and you can stick the item down inside of it and you're already ready. It does give you a greeting card where you can write your own message, and it has their logo on the opposite side. There's also this card that comes inside with a cleaning cloth. So here is their cleaning cloth with their logo on it as well. So you can clean the jewelry item that you receive. So all of this and the bag, and then down inside of here is the actual jewelry item. So again, if this was for a gift, take this out, pop it in here, fill out your card, who it's to, and give it to them. How simple is that? Or you can have it shipped directly to them, and there you go. So this is what the box looks like that the jewelry comes in, and inside is the jewelry item. Now this is a very unique thing. I've never seen something like this, so we're gonna figure this out. So here is the little tag that I'm telling you about, which is right here. And I always remove mine because since I do get this for review, even if I tell them the wrong size or doesn't fit quite right, that's on me because I'm not paying for the item. But if you guys do pay for the item, definitely check it out. Make sure that it will fit you first. So the band of this is like a rose gold color. So the color to this is rose gold, and then there's this really pretty ladybug. Ladybugs are good luck. And I don't know if you're noticing this design. You're probably like, why in the world does it look like that? It looks like that because when you have this on your finger and you bend your finger in, look what's gonna happen. It opens, you guys. Look at how gorgeous that is. So in the beginning, when I said I was gonna receive something completely different, and then they said, can I send you our new item? And when I saw the video and how this opens, I'm like, yeah, go ahead and send me that. I would love to show my viewers your new item. and it opens. Have you ever seen a jewelry item that literally opens? Like, I have never in my entire life seen something that opens like that. So let me get this on my little chunky dunky finger. So when it's on my finger, that's what it looks like. It is super cute and it looks kind of dainty. And then when you bend your finger, look, it opens. That is just so freaking cool, you guys. That is amazing. Oh my gosh. I've never seen something like that. Like, then you just bend your finger and there you go. That is just super, super cute. I'm so glad they were like, hey, can we send you this one instead? I'm like, yeah, that is just so unique. I've never, and I'm gonna say this again, I've never seen anything like that before. I think it's so cool. And so this is their new line. Right now it does have the rose gold, but soon I think they're gonna start coming out with other colors. I'm not quite sure, but right now you can get this exact one, and I will have this link down below with all the other ones that I have got from them. If you want to see the different rings that I've received, even the one for my man last time, my earrings, my necklace that I received, my bracelet, all of that will be linked down below with their main website as well that you can definitely check out. But I'm going to go ahead and tell you a little bit more about Jeulia if you haven't seen my other videos, and kind of let you know a little bit about them. Now, in my other videos, I have now been saying I won't bring on any other type of a jewelry company like this. I have tons of them reach out to me, but I know Jeulia Jewelry is just absolutely stunning. It lasts, it looks beautiful. Like, I've never cleaned my rings or anything, and they still are 100% gorgeous. I love all of the pieces that I have received from them. And I've never even taken these earrings out since I put them in that day for the video. I haven't even taken them off yet. I always leave them on when I take a shower, when I sleep, everything, they stay on. And I am loving these earrings, you guys. So I just love Jeulia Jewelry. I stand by them. I definitely recommend them. And I just love Jeulia Jewelry. So that's the only one that I'm going to bring on my channel. And that's what I tell you guys. So again, SheCrafty 15 will get you 15% off your order. Now, they have ring sizes from 3 to 15 and all half sizes in between. So you can measure your finger. You can either have it measured, you can buy the little measuring things like I did, or they do have on their website, it tells you like how to take, like, I guess, like a piece of paper and wrap it around and figure it out that way. So you can find out what your ring size is. The best thing is to always have it sized by like a jeweler or a jeweler equipment, like the little ring sizer that you can just like stick on the different sizes. So you make sure you're getting the correct size when you're ordering. That's what I do anyway. So Jeulia Stone is an excellent alternative to natural gemstones because it's more scratch resistant for everyday wear. Unlike natural gemstones that are mined from the earth using large machinery, explosives, and unsafe working conditions, the Jeulia Stone was developed to be more durable with better optical characteristics than of a diamond while maintaining an ethical standard to protect our environment. So measuring an impressive 9 out of 10 on the scale of mineral hardness, with proper care and cleaning, your Jeulia Stone can be treasured for a lifetime. Our proprietary stone is hand cut and fastened in-house to shine brilliantly and provide a beautiful sparkle with bright, vibrant color. It can also be created in colorless forms, which we use in our jewelry to stimulate the amazing fire and brilliance of a natural diamond. We are confident that you will not find a better alternative in the market that shares the same quality and affordability as our Jeulia Stone, and I believe that. Our commitment is to avoid putting more strain on our natural resources with providing gemstones that are 100% traceable. Now, they have 30-day returns, free shipping over $99, and a 1-year warranty. All of their jewelry is 925 sterling silver, but they are coated like with the color. So like this one is a rose gold. My man got a yellow gold, and all of mine has been looking like it's a white gold. It just looks just silver, like a sterling silver, which is what I like. But all of them are all sterling silver, but they add something to the mixture to change the color, but it's all silver. So 925 sterling silver. They have flexible financing that you can do from their website and secure shopping. So I will link them down below. You guys can definitely check them out. I thought at first this might not be comfortable with this being like a wide gap, but this whole time I've been using it, moving my fingers, moving my hands, and it's comfortable. It's not like awkward or anything to like fill them two different ways. And then, yeah, and then you just close your hand and that is beautiful. Oh my gosh. If that was a butterfly, it would be perfect for me, but ladybugs are good luck. And I love that it opens. That is just so unique. And it's all like the clear stones on the inside, and it has like the pink and the black stones on the top to mock the ladybug. That is just so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Jeulia Jewelry, for sending me another amazing jewelry item. This is just simply stunning. I am in love with this ring, you guys. So there we have it. Again, you can check them out. They do have a video that goes over their stuff that I will go ahead and play now.
My name is Laura, and I'm one of the head designers for Jeulia Jewelry. Jewelry is not just something you wear. It's something you feel. It's not just a fashion statement, it's a way of life. Jeulia Jewelry has the ability to not only personalize the look, but also to evoke emotion and create memories. This is the very mentality of Jeulia Jewelry, and we create beautiful premium artisanal jewelry that express, that reflect who you are and what you stand for. Pieces that you won't only wear to ceremonies and parties, but that you'll want to wear throughout your everyday life. Our dream is to make you feel an emotional connection to our jewelry, which is why each of our personalized designs are 100% handcrafted to offer you what you love from our heart to your heart. Everything we offer is made in-house, so we know that craftsmanship like this comes from caring hands and not from an assembly line, to ensure that the end product is a beautiful representation of the woman wearing it. Inspiration is a finicky concept because it comes from one's perception of this reality, and so therefore you can open a book, a fairy tale book in your workplace and be inspired, and other times you walk around and you see random items and they push you to create the most beautiful jewelry. I would say in the end, making jewelry is almost dreamlike because it allows you to tap into your emotional feelings, which is precious. Yes, Jeulia, I love me.
Okay, you guys, so that is everything that I have to say and show you for my video today. Again, thank you so much for checking this out. I am super glad that they sent me their new design. Isn't that just so unique how it opens its wings? It just vroom, 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 vroom. I don't know. It is just super cute. I love that the wings open. That is just super cute. So thank you again for tuning in and watching. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew, out.